Unboxing tayo ng more gifts. Last one for this video. So, ito is expensive. It's an investment. That will be the last haul na. As in, last na talaga.
So, i-assemble na natin yung crib. Binigyan ni Stephanie. And this crib is a folding full-size crib. So, that's why medyo mahal siya. So, this is like $240. So, thank you so much, Ninang Stephanie. Yan. So, let's start. Yan ang laman. So, the color is just neutral para pag may second baby na kami, and if a girl, so she can still use it. Yay! So, yan yung color, and then yung parts ng crib ni baby. Yan. And then yan. Ito yung para sa mattress niya. And then ito yung wheels. Ayan. And then ito yung mga tornilyo. Ayan. So, ipapakita namin sa inyo pag nabuo na. So, Mommy, Daddy, needs help from you. Yay! Finally! Natapos din namin. Good job, Mommy and Daddy. Ayan. Yung kuna ni baby. Diba? Ang cute. And then, meron niyang wheels. Yan to lock it. So, yung kulang na lang is yung mattress ni baby. And then, ready na ang crib ni baby. And mattress cover and protector pa daw. Okay.
Unboxing tayo ng more gifts. Isa na para. Gift from my tita and my cousin sa Texas. Ito. Then, from my insurance. So, pag pregnant ka, pwede kang mag-order ng mayroong mga libreng mga breast pumps, tapos meron din copy. So, nag-copy ako sa breast pump na ito. Ipapakita ko mamaya. And then, bumili din ako with that website na bag ni baby, breastfeeding bag. Tapos, shopping kami ni Daddy kahapon para sa crib. And then, nakabili kami ng stroller at saka yung mattress for the crib at some other stuff. So, yeah, mag-unboxing tayo. So, first one. Sorry, hinihingal ako. So, yung mga box si Daddy na. Ako yung maliliit. So, first one. Sealy na Secure Stay Waterproof Fitted Crib Mattress Pad. So, para ma-protect yung mattress. So, bumili kami nito. And then, another plastic from Burlington. So, nakita si Daddy ng changing pads. So, 10 disposable na siya. Disposable 10. So, yeah. And then, wala pa kami nito. So, bumili kami ng swaddle blanket. Pero, ano siya, muslin na type. So, maganda yung tela niya. Tapos, manipis lang. It's on sale, $10.39, tatlo na. Next one, naghahanap kami ng mga pants ni baby kasi ang dami niyang onesies na parang walang hanggang dito lang. So, nakabili kami ng dalawa but it's for 12 months na. So, ewan ko. Pero next time, bibili pa kami ng mas maliliit. And then, unboxing natin yung bag. Tsaka yung portable breast pump. And yung mga karton. Si Jeffoy na. Ito yung bag. Hindi ko pa doon nakita. So, just ignore the ano sa labas. So, ito yung napili ko. Oh, I thought it's lighter, but yeah, okay. So, the brand is Motif. And then, ay, maliit lang siya. Malaki kasi siya sa picture. So, may bibilin sana kami noon, pero hindi namin nabili. So, nakita ko to na nandun din sa website where I got my breast pump. So, ito, Motif na brand. Open natin. So, ganito siya. Oh, green na green. Hindi ko alam na green sa loob. So, ito siya. Parang freezer. Ano siya sa loob. Kaya pinili ko siya kasi yan. Insulated siya. Kaya? Insulated siya. So, hindi mapapanis yung mga milk ni baby. So, meron siyang gusto ni daddy yung may changing pad na ganun, yung pahaba. Pero ayoko nun. Gusto ko disposable pag nasa labas. So, may siya ditong zipper. Nalagyan dito, nalagyan dito, nalagyan. Tapos, dito, yung mga bottles. May nilagay yung mga bottles. Yan! See? Meron siyang insulation. Maliit lang pala. So, baby lang talaga to. Andito, yung pang wipes. Small lang siya, daddy. And this side, pwedeng lagyan ng something. Pero at the back, meron na namang insulated na lalagay. Na pwede ka naman ilagay. Oh, yeah. Yan. Maliit lang siya. Maliit. Maliit pala siya. Pero okay na. For baby. So, eto, kung may insurance ka dito sa US, pwede kang pumili ng, mayroong website sila bibigay. Actually, maraming websites na pwede kang, may libre kang breast pump. So, ikaw na yung pipili. Mostly doon, mga libre. Pero, yung pinili ko kasi, medyo mahal siya. Kaya, nag-copay ako. So, nag-pay ako ng $45 para sa breast pump na to. Kasi yung mas, yung pinili ko. Pero madami. Parang hospital grade siya, pero portable. At saka may mga libre na siya. So, unahin natin yung mga libre. So, when you purchase, may libre kang 400 na breast milk storage bag. So, from Motif din. Same brand ng bag natin. So, ito magagamit natin. Mag-store ng breast milk. Tapos, after nito, pwede ka pa uli mag-ask for more.
Is that disposable, Mommy?
Yeah. So, pag ginagay mo sa freezer, i-store mo. Tapos, meron na ano mo sa bottle. Tapos, itatapon mo na. Pero ang dami ito, 400. Libre lang. Even yung mga libre na breast pump, nagbibigay sila ng libre nito. 400. Dami. Sobrang dami. And then, pwede ka pang mag-order ulit.
For free?
For free.
Lifetime?
Parang hindi. Pero mas madami din natin mga ewan ko. Pero madami din yung free. More than 400 pa after. Tapos, meron pa siyang pero after a month yun ang purchase mo, magsisend sila sa iyo ng link kung saan ka pwedeng kumuha ulit ng libre. Tsaka libreng parts ng breast pump. So, ito yung napili kong brand. Kasi parang sikat siya. Sikat siya. So, ang brand is Mom Cozy. So, yung pinili ko is yung hands-free breast pump M6. So, meron itong M5, kasi yung M5 parang hindi siya nag-contoured. Hindi siya ano ng sa breast mo. Parang yung shape niya. Pero, yun yung pinakauna. Tapos eto, tapos meron pang mas high-tech na to na pwede sa app. Pero hindi ko kinuha yun kasi yung mga reviews niya is nagsasabi na pag nabasa siya, hindi na nag-work after. Saka yung hindi ako masyadong techy. So, gusto ko yung mga simple-simple. So, hindi ko kinuha yung ano, na ano sa app. So, ito siya. Open natin. Ang ganda. Yan lang yung color na available. So, pink. Pink mo tayo, baby. Green naman yung ano eh. Yung lalagyan ng milk mo. So, naka-plastic siya. And then, open natin. Remind. Breast pumps are single-user items. Seal is broken. They are not non-refundable. So, once na tayo makakakuha sa insurance ng free, parang it cost like $250 or $299 ata. So, I just paid like 40 plus, halos $50. So, hindi ko alam yung exact price. Kalimutan. Kasi sabi niya, Daddy, gusto niya yung breast milk ko.
Yes, mom. At least for 6 months.
At least for 6 months. So, yeah. So, ito siya. Cute. Hero pa tayo. Okay. Let's do it. Ito siya. Wow! So fancy. Mamahalin talaga. So, ayan. Oh! Ang syala ng bag. So, pwede ko siyang madala pagbalik na akin ng work kasi 6 weeks lang yung maternity leave. 6 weeks yung ano ko, PTO. So, 3 months lang. So, mag-breast pamper tayo while working. Because the goal is to breastfeed baby at least 6 months or a year. So, hindi na natin i-open. May mga flanges or mga nipples. Tapos, meron siyang parang sa size. Where's the sizing? Wala. So, meron ditong magsusukat ka ng size ng nipple mo. So, ma'am, cozy. And then, each of it, merong charger. So, dalawang charger. Ang cute. Ito siya, oh. So, hindi na ako nagbili ng yung hindi portable. Kasi gusto ko portable. Kasi pagbalik ko sa work, nagagamit ko pa. Ang laki naman pag sak. So, ang ganda nyo. So, pag ganyan siya, oh. Tapos, to on. I don't know how to on. Pero, yeah, ganyan siya. Tapos, cover niya to. Like that. So, I don't know how to on it. Oh, there. Suctioning your breast. So, may ilang modes of suction siya. Meron din siyang iba't ibang style ng pag-suction. I-off na natin. So, gumagana. Then, let's put it back and proceed to Daddy's haul ng mga mas malalaki. Kasi hindi ko carry.
Alright, so let's move on. So let's start with this mattress that we bought from Walmart yesterday. And it's like almost $80. So we got Zili. Alright, Baby Prestige Sleep. It is a 2-stage antibacterial and it has like a spring in the middle or underneath or in the middle, whatever. And then this one is Green Guard Gold. Of course, America's #1 mattress brand and #1 most trusted. So it has 20-year limited warranty on workmanship and no toxic flame and no harsh chemicals. So lagyan na natin dito. Check natin kung kasya. Wow! Super kasya ba? Sushi baby. Yan yung mattress. And then, so let's open this one. So this gift is from Texas. What's the brand?
Safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Tita, for this gift for baby. Yeah. Oh my. Let's see. You still need to put it out. Take it out,
Oh,
mommy.
it's bigger. Yeah, take it out.
Yeah, this one.
Another
Car seat for baby.
We have how many car seat na?
So we got 2 now. So this baby can use this like
Until toddler na siya, yeah.
for 2 years, right?
Until toddler, yeah.
But
So,
we'll be using the infant one for about 3 to 4 months. So thank you so much. So again, the brand is, what's the brand?
safety first.
Safety first. So this one, safety first. And replacement. So this is a Grow and Go Everfit all-in-one convertible car seat. Your model may look different than one shown on cover, but tinawag siyang Grow and Go kasi pwede from infant to toddler siya.
Laki siya. Moving on.
Let's move on. Lagay muna natin dito sa space tayo. Let's open this one. So we also bought this one last night sa Ross. So baby, so lucky last night. And of course, nakatipid si Mommy at si Daddy.
So, ang advice ni Beshi, pag
nakita sa Ross, bilhin agad.
so,
And we did it.
expensive, ano siya.
Mommy, do you want to open it na?
I don't know about you.
Wala na. How we use
So,
it?
expensive, stroller siya. Sa expensive side siya. Pero, we bought it like super duper
So, we
Ano?
got different parts.
discounted. I don't know, you wanna take it out?
Should we take it out? Yeah, probably not. So, next time na namin, papakita sa inyo. Okay, kung na-arrange na namin lahat dito. So, ang gulo-gulo kasi. Basta, yan
So,
yung
ito siya.
ilalagay ko na lang yung picture at video ng ang stroller na to.
There, pwede sa front facing and back facing. Front kag siya, ano.
So, let's move on sa this one. So, Mommy bought baby's cabinet. So, we will try to assemble it tonight. And then, ipapakita namin sa inyo kung anong magiging result. So, for now, so, i-open namin dito. Tapos, ilalagay namin dito na side. Right, Mommy? This side.
Yeah.
So, that side. So, yung picture ng baby namin. Nahulog. Oops. And
So, how much where did you buy it?
so we bought this in Amazon for around $160.
About.
Ayan.
Pero ngayon, after
Yeah.
namin siya nabili,
Magkano na siya?
nag-increase na siya to $204.
$200 na daw siya.
So, yun yung
Ang swerte
napili
talaga
namin.
ni baby.
Naka-increase niya lang. Na-delay siya ng 1 day na delivery, tapos nag-increase ng price.
Yeah, that's the color.
Oh my gosh! It's a puzzle.
Yeah, so hopefully we can finish it for an hour or two. So let's do it, mommy.
Pakita mo ang ano, babe.
Huh?
Ayan, yung ano lang.
So this is how it looks like. Diba ang ganda? And so this is the guide. So mommy will be reading all the guide, how
Oh my
to
gosh!
assemble it, and then I will be her assistant. So my brain cannot do it. Yeah, I'm too slow in assembling something. Alright, so ilagay ko na dito sa gilid ito. Yan. Tapos
Medyo ayusin na namin kasi
push muna natin.
para malagay niya yung mga ano ni baby sa loob ng cabinet.
Excuse me, mommy. So, mommy is trying to figure out how to assemble baby's dresser.
So, ganito siya ka-complicated. Ang screws. Siguro mga 200 pieces or
Yan ang daming screw.
screws.
Ano? Kaya mo yan, mommy.
Oh my gosh, it's so many.
I'll be your assistant. Alright. We can do it for baby. Yay! Love you, baby. So, update mga mommies and daddies. So, nandito na kami sa
Step 7.
step 7 out of 19. So, nilalagay na ni mommy yung mga feet ng dresser. And then, kakatapos lang ni mommy, daddy, gawin to. Isa na lang. Yan. Mommy, can we still do it? Can we still finish it tonight? Let's go. So, kami ay nasa drawers na. So, si Mami ay nagsasegregate ng screws.
Palang 500 nakabilog.
Yan, yung mga screw na yan, oh. Yan. Yan, ito yung drawers. So, sana matapos namin before mag 11. What time na ba? 9:43 na. So, it's been like 2 hours, Mommy. My God. Oh, baby, Daddy is so tired now. Daddy needs to work for tomorrow. Diba? Mommy is the one who's figuring it out. I'm just her assistant. You can do it, Mommy. You are smarter than Daddy, so. So, finally, Mommy, we did it after how many hours? Is it 3 hours?
7, 8, 9, 10. Not 5.
Is it 5? Oh my god! We spent like 5 hours for this? Oh, that's baby's dresser. Oh, ang ganda. Yan. Congratulations to us, Mommy. We did it.
Hi, last haul ng mga baby essentials. Yung pinaka-last na lang nadadating is bukas yung mattress cover. Pero may mattress cover na kami na pinakita last time. So, nasa na yun. And then, kanina pumunta kami ng Target to buy cotton balls. Kita dito cotton balls. So, this is jumbo. Super jumbo. Para, kasi sabi nila sensitive pa yung pag mag-change kay baby. So, lalagyan namin ng distilled water or just water to clean after baby poop or baby pee. Meron din kaming, mas gusto ko to, yung cotton ovals. Kasi naka-form na siya na parang flat. So, there's only 2 left. So, bumili kami ng dalawa. Then, dalawa din jumbo. Super jumbo. And then, this is mine. Just a white. And then, Daddy bought a zipper storage bags. Lalagyan nito ng diapers. So, ito na
May
open
libre
natin.
from hospital.
Yeah. So, ito na open na natin. Let's check this one first. So, this one, meron na kami nakita noon, pero hindi namin nabili. So, regretos. But, we bought a nicer one, yung my strap. This is a nursing pillow. Buti Apip. Buti Papi. Itong brown. They said it's #1 selling brand of nursing pillow. So, I'll just show you. Ayan. May strap siya to hold sa back. Tapos dito yung...
Well, how's the firmness, mommy?
It's actually good. So, the head will be here. Baby's head. Then, after that, ang paa niya dito. So, parang nalilift siya. Hindi siya yung flat na nakahiga.
And how much is it?
It's $49, but it's discounted, right?
$10 discount.
Is it 10 or 15? I don't know. But it's like, still like 30 plus, about $40. Pero maganda siya, expensive lang. Pero gamit ko para
Okay.
mag-nurse kay baby. So next one, ito yung, ask ni Daddy kung what is this. Let's find it out.
Changing pad.
Yung changing pad, napili namin. So, gusto ni Daddy is the, ano nga yun, babe? Anong brand?
Graco.
Graco. But, gusto ko kasi yung wina-wipe lang, hindi na yung,
Open it, mommy.
ano, maglalagay pa ako ng, tela. Ooh, I choose this color because Daddy was, it's just what, brown, white, gray. Oh, there's ano, babe.
There's what?
There's, is it a bee? Do you want to open this already?
No. You don't want to. How much is that, mommy?
It's from $49 or $39.49.
Two.
Then, it was discounted. May discount pa yung sa Amazon na ano namin na registry.
Is that the cover?
Yeah.
There's a cover.
So, ano siya? Parang from 49, 24 na lang. Dami yung discount. And then, pag kinakita na dito, papasok yung air.
What's the size of it?
I don't know, the width is like 16. I don't know how long. I don't know if it's... but it's like standard size. It's like the same for every big cat. Oh my gosh! And then you're gonna... There's indentation here. And then, ito yung vegan leather. 9 slip, tsaka ano yun, babe? Ang tawag dun pag hindi nababasa?
Waterproof.
Waterproof. My God. So, may strap siya. Kung ilalagay mo siya somewhere, so it will be like, hindi siya maalis, hindi siya maalis. Safer siya. So, this one. Now, we need to open it because there's a leather smell.
But you're going to wash that first, yeah, right?
I don't know, you can wash this. You need to wipe it with a disinfectant.
Oh, okay. I mean, this one. You're not planning to wash it?
We wipe it. So, literally covered din siya. I know, bumili ng match cover, pero parang cover din tong vegan leather. I thought it would be like part of it. There's separate cover pala siya, pero yeah. It's waterproof. I-shape na natin yung next time, pero ganyan yung ganyan siya.
Okay.
Like that. And the baby will be there. Then there will be like guard here. Yan, nakaganyan. Nice! So, next one is, this is Nabi. Gusto niya. Oh, base mo. So, we bought diaper Genie na classic. So, ano siya? Basurahan na may bala na plastic na nagpo-contain ng odor. So, ibang klaseng basura siya kasi nag-help siya to prevent odor from escaping. So, 100 operation lang for optimal convenience with max odor lock. So, holds up to 55 diapers. Tada! Lalabas na natin to kasi ito naman okay lang to. Ano siya? Mag-dust in there. So,
Oh, it's big.
yeah. So, yung isang, the other one pala, Daddy, is 55 diapers. Nasa, Daddy? 55, holds 55 diaper. Tapos, ang ano niya is, pwede siyang i-cut. I-cut mo, sadali. I'll picture the front. So, ito siya. And then, push this. Open. Ooh, fancy.
And then, how do you throw the diaper in?
So, like that.
Where's the bag?
The bag is there. But I don't know how to use it. The bag is here. So maybe you need to open the bag? Oh no, I don't know. Let's find out.
Open this one. That one, no. Can you open that? There you go.
Yeah, you can cut here. The bag.
So ang ano, yung parang bala niya, may bag na.
Oo. Hugot siya ng isang bag, then it will close and seal. Tapos bagong bag na naman, then it will close and seal, then bagong bag na naman.
Ito.
Last one for this video. So, ito is expensive. It's an investment. And this will make our life easier. It's gonna be worth it. It's a Mom Cozy Auto Bottle Washer. So, washer na siya, sterilizer pa siya, and then, it will dry by itself. So, hindi na namin kailangan uminit ng tubig to sterilize the water bottle. At saka, i-dry siya sa dry rack. Kasi, paglabas niya, sterilized na siya.
Ready to use na. How much is it?
So, including this, so this is like $299 by itself, $299, about $300, and this is like $19, but together it's like $304.
That expensive?
Yeah.
Where did you get the money from?
From Daddy's credit card.
From credit card. Grabe, baby ba? Mahal-mahal yung bottle washer.
He's a lucky baby. Thank you, Daddy, for your credit card. So, this one is like $19. Ano siya, yung detergent tablet. So, kailangan pa namin bumili ng what's that?
Distilled water?
This one, you can use distilled water, but there's like a tablet to like this scale na minerals na nag-build up. Pero kung distilled water daw yung gagamitin, usually, hindi siya nag-build up ng minerals sa ilalim. And then, I'll show you the tablets. These are the tablets. So,
Just one?
yeah.
In one box?
Yeah.
And how long does it
This
last?
is like $19.
Huh?
$19 by itself. Pero, both sila nabay ko sa $304.
So, how many tablets are there in that packet?
All in all, it's like 120 tablets. 120 tablets.
So, one tablet per wash?
Yeah, per wash. So, there's like 30 tablets each.
So, you only need one tablet per
Per
wash?
wash, yeah. So, you can watch like 6 to 8 bottles at a time. And then, pwede sa itaas yung mga pacifier, part ng yung breast pump. Oh. So, you don't need to sterilize it already. It will be dry after. You just need to keep it like, ano na.
Hey, see you soon, baby. Mommy and Daddy love you. See you soon. Mwah.
Last haul. So, bumili ko ng additional gamit for baby. And then, eto siya. Dito muna. So, first one, bumili kami ng isa pang for bath ni baby. Alam namin meron na kami, but we want additional one na portable lang na maliit. Para in case sa sink, malapit sa sink. So, eto siya. At saka mabilis siyang mag-dry. So, hindi siya nag-accumulate ng water or pahiran mo lang. So, maganda siya. It's like a tub. Baby bath support. At pwede din siya ilagay dun sa bathtub namin kasi malaki yung bathtub. And then, ito siya from Ross or Burlington. After that, bumili kami ng grooming kit. Ang gusto ko lang dito is yung yung ano ganyan, suction. Parang nasa-suction yung sa ilong or sa mouth. And then yung brush. So additional lang yung others na yan. So this is from Ross too. Tapos may mga scissors, nail cutter, may file, tsaka band-aid na maliit. And then next one, kasi magpapa-breastfeeding tayo, nipple shields. Sabi nila, dapat daw may nipple shield para hindi sore ang breast. Especially mga first-time moms or like first time mo magpa-breastfeed. Tapos, dapat may nipple cream din. Pero, ayoko kasing mag-cream. Kasi baka unsafe. Pero safe naman yun. So, nipple shield muna tayo. Then, bumili kami ng maraming disposable nursing pads. So, in case na nasa labas at hindi makapag-pump. So, sabi nila nag-leak daw. So, to protect na hindi mabasa yung bra mo sa leaking. Ito yung nilalagay mo. Dinidikit mo sa bra para ma-absorb niya yung milk. So, this is from Ross din. So, bumili din kami ng additional na changing pads na disposable in case kailanganin namin sa hospital. Pero, syempre, meron naman sila doon. But, if we're outside, kailangan namin disposable pads. So, this is from Ross din. Next, this is from Burlington. Ito yung balikan ni Daddy. Kasi gusto niya talaga aesthetic. Gusto ko na hamper is plastic. Kasi sabi nila, pag plastic, mas okay kasi may mga basang damit si baby, basang blankets, basang ano. But, Daddy wants aesthetic. So, ang ganda niya. It's so pretty. Aesthetic na aesthetic. See? Nice. It's so nice. Yeah. Ganda niya. Tapos yung size niya, okay na for baby. And then, may kasama to siyang binili ni Daddy na additional. Eto, for what ito, Daddy?
Transfer ko kay baby sa main bedroom.
Oh, mga
Essentials.
gamit ni baby for essentials. So, both ito is from Burlington. Ang cute din. Ano siya? Terno. See? Very nice. Cloud and stars and moon. bumili kami ng water. Ito from Walmart, distilled water. Kasi distilled water yung ginagamit for humidifier and for baby bottle washer. Washer sterilizer niya. So, bumili kami dalawa muna kasi hindi namin alam kung ilan yung maubos niya. At saka, hindi pa namin alam kung saan namin isi-store pag bumili kami ng marami kasi ayaw namin i-store dun sa garage kasi mainit. We've been eyeing for this kasi gusto namin i-store ang mga bottles ni baby safely and clean. So, bumili kami ng mga storage bin. So, dito namin ilalagay yung mga bottles. So, actually, parang isa laki. So, may takip siya. Hindi siya yung ganun-ganun. Kasi from Ross ata to. Pero maganda siya, storage bin. So, 1. And then, dito sa next, lalagay namin yung mga nipples ng baby bottle, tsaka yung what, Daddy?
Parang straw niya. Straw.
Yung straw sa loob, yung anti-colic something. Tapos yung mga breast pump, breast pump na kailangan ilagay ng mga parts after ma-clean. So, bumili din kami ng organizer na maliliit inside para ma-organize siya sa loob. So, ito na lahat yun. It's from Ross. So, para malinis talaga yung bottles ni baby at hindi malikok-mukan. Laki ng baby. Crib sheet siya na, organic. And then, 100% cotton. So, initially, gusto namin yung mga print. But then, na-realize namin, in case may mga insects, may mga dirt sa crib ni baby, hindi namin makikita. So, we opted na kumuha ng plain. So, we have a brown or beige. Okay siya. Soft niya. Like that. Simple lang. It's so simple. So, beige color. Ano siya? Organic. And then, next one is a white one. So, puting-puti. Makikita mo talaga if dirty. So, meron pa kami isa na color blue na Disney. I think okay na yan for now. Kasi may mattress protector naman kami. So, if ma-dirtihan, laban na lang. So, initially, pinili ko din yung waterproof. But then I changed my mind. Gusto ko 100% cotton. So, that will be the last haul na. As in, last na talaga. If may bibiling kami, hindi na siguro mapapakita or mapapakita na lang sa video ni baby. So, baby, see you soon! Tapos, thank you so much sa lahat ng nagbigay. At thank you, Daddy, for buying baby a lot of things na needed niya.
Welcome,
So,
baby.
So excited.
See you soon.
See you. Just grow strong, healthy, and complete. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.